such a beautiful girl. Yes, you are. Oh, mamas. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you're so loving. I love you. Huh? Oh, it's so cute. She's available now. She needs to get out, guys. She's on a surrender. Look at her eyes. Look at these precious eyes, huh? So sweet, so affectionate. Come here, mama girl. Oh, you're such a girl. I love you. Oh, sweetie. Oh my goodness, I can't believe a dog like that is surrounded here. I love you, sweetie. Her ID 900-9002. Female. She's already spayed. Brindle and black pit bull mix. She's 1 year old and 4 months. Already spayed, ready to go, huh? Who wants the love? Who wants a great companion? This is a great companion girl, huh? San Bernardino Shelter, California. Call right now, 909-384-1304.